Hello, YouTube. The video you're about to watch was recorded last year during my cancer journey, so bear with me while I get caught up to today. I'm still getting used to filming and editing and all the things, so I appreciate your patience. Thank you. Hey everybody, thanks for clicking play. Thanks for supporting the channel. Just another minor update to the Survivor. That's what I call the X6M here. Anyway, we're just doing carbon fiber intake. It's time anyway. I've got 30,000 miles on the car and need to change out the air filters. Anyway, we'll see what kind of bump in horsepower. Hopefully that'll get me to 600 at the tires, but who knows? It's another thing to try. So anyway, as of right now, it's bone stock in terms of the engine compartment. I am going to throw on some color, some of the color caps. They're light blue. I'm kind of sticking with light blue for my theme for the M. So that'll be on the oil and coolant caps and whatnot. There's 4 that'll go on here. Already got one for the gas cap. In fact, let's go take a look and see. They're billet. They're nice looking. I got everything from IND, but that's it there. Anyway, so we're just doing an intake, and we'll see how much power that gets me. But it's all good. Whatever it is what it is. It's just my grocery getter until I can get my new vet. Stay tuned. I gotta tell you, I'm impressed. My expectations for the intake were not very high after I saw what it looked like compared to the Eventary. But I gotta tell you, now that I see it on, yeah, I'm liking it quite a bit. And the light blue fluid covers are installed. So are you ready for the reveal? Here we go. Take a look. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. The carbon fiber intake, it's really sweet. Some big ass cones in there. The billet pieces. Yeah. Really liking that. So next thing is to go ahead and get this thing dynoed again. I'm hoping to pick up another 20 horsepower at the tires, get me to a bona fide 600 wheel horsepower, which is, you know, much less than flywheel horsepower, which is the only thing that really matters, is how much you're putting down to the tires. So I'll get that checked out. I got an appointment set up soon for the all-wheel drive dyno. So stay tuned on those results. And oh, and by the way, don't forget, check that box. Monitor those PSA numbers. I just got my numbers back post-radiation, and I'm down to 5 point something. It was up to 7.95 before radiation therapy. So at least it's going down. It's trending in the right direction. So all good. All right, check that box, y'all.